Welcome back. I went to a car show and I finally got to see in person the coolest Volkswagen kit car ever, the Vandetta. The Vandetta was made by Gundaker Fabrication in Metuchen, New Jersey. The earliest article that I found on it was from the April 1980 Hot VW's magazine, and they stated they'd been advertising these things for a few months, and they did a short article on it. In it, the owner, George Shackley, said the average person with average hand tools could build this kit himself. The owner of this car, Joe, bought the kit around 1983 for a cost of $1,400 and put it together in his spare time while he was running his body shop business. When he picked up his kit in New Jersey, George, the owner, was still molding more, probably about 3 or 4 at a time he was building. How many were actually built, no one really knows. If you have any idea, put it in the comments. Around 1985, Joe was looking to purchase another kit to build and reached out to the company and found out that the owner had passed away and they were out of business. The paint job on this car is really nice. Joe and his brother actually did it at his house, wet sanded and buffed the whole thing out. It's a PPG enamel. It's a 1970 Beetle with the automatic stick shift transmission.
Guy's name was George, and this is the building.
Oh, you got the building directions too. That's cool. I'm going to record you talking if that's okay with you. That's plywood floor?
Yeah.
They gave you templates for it?
No, they didn't give you anything. I made that.
Oh, you have to make it.
Yeah,
So
you
you just got the outer shell of the
That's
car,
it. Yeah.
and that's also it's sides. I thought it was one piece.
No.
Oh,
these
so
are
it
all these. They're all individual pieces.
Oh wow! And then you have to
Had
bond
put
them all together.
Yeah.
And show you where to cut.
Yeah.
Okay, cut lines. Like I said, I remember seeing them in the back of the magazine. I said, "That's the coolest thing," whatever. And I got the brochure or whatever. I don't know if my brother sent away for it. It was like $2 in the mail, and they sent you back or whatever.
Well, there was a couple of kits at that time on those magazines.
Yeah.
Was it BWM or something like that? I forget the name of it.
Uh-huh.
That's how you had to laminate everything with the special fiberglass.
Like bonding adhesive, like for a Corvette or whatever, but you're bonding it to the metal.
Right.
They want you bare metal, just like that. Oh, so the roof is completely covered. I got to take a closer. I thought the roof wasn't touched. And then obviously they didn't sell you anything for the inside, so you had to finish everything.
Yeah.
So you're basically just buying fiberglass body panels. That weren't finished. The rear doors with the glass. They had the glass made for you?
No.
Or you had to make the glass too?
Yeah, I had to
Plexiglass?
Yeah. In one of his brochures, he has clear glass on it.
I've always remember seeing the pictures of it with just the dark glass only. But I guess whatever, you can build what you want, whatever. So, detailed instructions. That's cool. Pick up the kit yourself with a pickup truck?
Yep. We borrowed my brother's pickup truck and we went over there and got it.
Oh, wow. I like the plate too. Oh, so the glass is actually hanging over the seam. Okay. You see, I thought it was just cut off and they just slapped this on and you had to do whatever you wanted to do.
This is a separate piece.
Yeah, and the other one.
Piece.
Okay.
This is a separate piece. This is a separate. They're all pieces.
And this is all bolted through to the main structure of the car.
Right.
It's awesome. And would you do all cloth headliner? Okay. It's got a Type 3 motor in it that's been converted to carburetors, and a big bore kit and a big cam. And the 80s awesome Cyclone 2 Western wheels. The day I filmed this, the car was for sale. I called Joe back a couple of days later and I found out that he sold it. to his grandson, so the car is staying in his family. What's this thing worth? I really don't have a clue. If you have an idea, post it in the comments, and thank you for watching.